pinagdidiinan na talaga nila yung mga sariling diskarte nila o nagkukulitan lang itong dalawang to?
Pero ako yung si Dean Mark Castronuevo, ayaw niya nung masyadong seryosong laro.
Kaya nga, nag-umpisa tong season na to of the Manila MSW Mavericks that period. Pero first series pa lang ng season 2 natin, present kagad sa DMC, Quezon City, tsaka Taguig. Nahuli ni Noel Zaraten. It would be deadlocked at 7. That's true.
5-1.
And actually,
Uy,
the two that is shooting.
Astoria
Ay, teka lang ha. Gamit kagad extension.
Saktong-sakto.
Pakabalang.
Right at the heart.
Ipakabalang.